Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki and today we'll be talking about how to earn money during quarantine while sitting right at your home. Remember, these things that I'll be sharing are not some get rich quick methods. Instead, you would have to invest some amount of time in each one of them. Many of these are my personal sources of income and I have had an experience with each one of them. Also, before beginning this topic, I hope all of y'all are safe. 2020 has been a rough year for all of us already and I hope that the future holds something good. And according to my YouTube analytics, most of the people who watch my videos are from the age group of 18 to 30. If that is so, then do tell me in the comment section below. I would love to see your age group so that I can tailor my videos further on. Also, I'm keeping a giveaway for the highest like comment in the comment section below. This is a chance for all of y'all to earn some extra bucks just by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, sharing this video with all of your friends and telling them to like your comment. So if you're interested, watch this video till the end as I'll be talking about this in the later part of the video. Now let's look at some of the sources of income which will help you earn during quarantine. The first one is investing in the stock market, and this is my personal favorite one. This is because most of my income has been from the stock market itself. If you have been following me on Instagram, you already know this. You can start with investing only a minimal amount and then see your net worth grow over time. If you want to know about the various requirements and how you can start investing in the stock market and start earning while still being in quarantine, you can check out this video as I've explained the process quite in detail. Also, I have shown my total investment portfolio in this video, so do check that video out if you are interested in knowing about my total investment portfolio as well. I personally use Upstocks to invest in stocks as well as in mutual funds. I have attached the link of Upstocks registration down in the description box below so that you can start with investing during quarantine while staying at your home and totally online. Apart from this, if you want some formal education in the stock market, you can check out Growth Centric's Ventures. It is an online stock market training program in which you are taught about the various psychological as well as practical ways of trading in the stock market. Also, only for my subscribers, if you refer my channel's name, that is Ali Solanki, to them, you will get additional benefits as well. The link for their website is down in the description box below. You can also find the WhatsApp number down in the description box below. So do check them out. Next up, we have freelancing. So what is exactly freelancing? Freelancing basically means you working for yourself rather than for a company. You provide your services, your expertise for the company and they in exchange give you money for it. So as you can guess, freelancers do not have a fixed salary. Freelancing can get you a lot of money if you are consistent with it. In the start, you might earn very minimal amount of money. However, with time, this grows exponentially. Now for growing in the freelancing world, you need two things. First is consistency and second is customer satisfaction. And so how do you start with freelancing in the first place? There are various websites that you can visit like fiverr.com, freelancer.com and upwork.com. These websites help freelancers in getting their customers. Just register yourselves on these websites and start posting about your services. If let's say you're a web developer like me, you can start by offering your services in that sector. Or let's say you're a graphic designer or someone who is a pro at making logos, then you can offer your services in that sector too. A common misconception about the freelancing world is that you need at least one skill to excel in the freelancing world. Yes, having skills will give you an advantage over your peers, but it is not a necessary at all. To prove to you this, I will show my total income in the freelancing world right now. This was my income from freelancing through Fiverr, and that too just for writing people's name on the sand and sending them a picture of it. I'll soon make a detailed video about this, so do check that out as well if you want to start with freelancing. Next up, we have get work from home internships. Now, internships play a very crucial role in building up your CV or your resume. There are various websites on the internet to help you get work from home internships while you are still in college. You should have some skills in order to help the company and get selected, but if you're passionate about this and you are willing to give your 100% and give total value to your company, then they will hire you no matter what. Once the company sees that you're a passionate guy who can later become a valuable asset to their company, then they will start hiring you even if you have no skills. They will even start teaching you those skills while paying you a stipend as well. But yes, it is always better to actually go and learn about the various skills required for joining a particular company rather than just joining it without any skills whatsoever. This will help the company know about you and will start utilizing your skills right away. Also, the major benefit that you get from internships is getting the experience. Internships start adding up in your CV and will help you get better jobs in the future. Also, it is a great way to market yourself out in the industry and build strong connections. I personally got my first internship from Internshala itself. You can check that website out if you are interested. Next up, we have online consultation services. Now, online consultation services requires you to have at least one skill or have a ton of knowledge about a particular topic. If you're good at something, you can offer your online consultation services for the people who are struggling in those sectors. For starters, you can start by offering your services for free or at a very minimal cost. And over time, as your personal brand value keeps increasing, you will see a surge in the demand of people wanting your consultation services. After which, you can start making a business out of this. But remember, it is very important for you to be an expert before giving out online consultation services. You need to be thorough about the topics you're giving your consultation services in. Without the proper knowledge, you can even harm the interests of your customers, which can result in your customers never coming back or you having a bad name in the market. Now, I have never publicized this on my YouTube channel before, but I do give online consultation services in the topics of stock market investing and digital marketing. So if you are interested in knowing more about this, you can message me on Instagram or write a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to reply to all of y'all. Next up, we have online tutoring. Now, there are various platforms for online tutoring, but earning through them is quite difficult. So instead, you can start by telling the people you already know that you are about to start with online tutoring. Start by contacting your family members and your friends. The first thing that you would need to do is pick your niche and know about the topics that you are going to teach. It can even be as simple as teaching English as a subject. After this, start marking your target audience. Get as much details about them as possible. What is their age group? Where do they stay? Which social media do they use? The more the details, the better. And after this, you can start with marketing. Tell everyone about your venture and don't shy away from asking them to share it further on. Also, on that note, please share this video as well. It will help me grow a lot. And voila! You'll start getting inquiries from students in no time. Next up, we have blogging or starting with a YouTube channel. Now, this particular stream should not be started with the intention of earning money through it. You should only pursue this if you are actually interested in making such content, if you're actually motivated to make such content for people. Because the income from blogging or even a YouTube channel in the beginning is quite less. On top of it, YouTube does not even monetize you before you having 1000 subscribers or having completed 4000 watch hours. And trust me, getting your first 1000 subscribers will be the toughest thing that you have ever done in your life. Also, on that note, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me be motivated to put out such content for all of you guys. But once the income starts to pour in through blogging or through YouTube channel, it just grows exponentially, and it has even the potential to become your full-time job. So keep it as a hobby in the start. Start with a basic YouTube channel, start blogging, make a website for yourself. Oh, and if you want to know about how you can build your own website, do ping me up on Instagram or comment in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you all out so that you can start with blogging yourself. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. Now you will notice that I have an Amazon link in the description box of each of my videos. This is the Amazon affiliate link. If you buy any product from Amazon through that link, I will get a commission based on the product that you buy. Is it only limited to Amazon? No, it is available for almost any website that you can find online. They always have an affiliate program that you can sign up on. Just go to the homepage of any such website and scroll down to the footer area. There you will find a link to the affiliate program. Register on it and you will become the official affiliate of that website. You will be provided with a link which then you can share with your friends and family members and even market it online so that you can get a commission based on the products that others buy through your link. Now, when I was talking about blogging or even starting with a YouTube channel, I mentioned that you do not start earning right away through ads. Yes, but if you include your affiliate marketing links in the description box or on your blogs, then even before having 1000 subscribers, you can start earning through affiliate marketing instead. Now let's go over the part which you all have been waiting for, the cash giveaway. Now whoever has the most liked comment in the comment section of this video will get 50 rupees from me. Be it you liking it from the 5 different accounts of your YouTube channel or you sharing it with all of your friends, family members, neighbors and even random strangers. I do not care. That comment should have the highest likes no matter what. So go comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such competitions and tell your friends, family members and everyone to like your comment and share this video with everyone. So that's it for the video, and if you like this video, please press that like button. If you didn't like this video, press the dislike button so that I get to know what kind of content you want in the further videos. And if you are a millennial or someone who is interested in self-help channels or self-growth channels, this channel is perfect for you guys. I have put out various contents related to this topic itself.